Choosing the best all-natural diet pill to supplement weight loss. When attempting to lose weight, choosing to use diet pills can be an effective way to kickstart the process. Although not all diet pills are created equally. In addition, diet pills must be used carefully and responsibly. These pills work by stimulating metabolism, inhibiting fat storage, and reducing food cravings. Therefore, it is imperative to ensure the compounds used within the diet pills one chooses are as natural and well-sourced as possible. Most importantly, diet pills are meant to be used in conjunction with a sound diet and exercise program intended primarily to supplement the beginning portion of one's weight loss transformation.